Um, what I'm trying to tell is, why am I so lost? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel JLog. This is Jags here, and this is my first vlog of 2021. I am so excited! With that said, everyone has gone through a lot of things in 2020. You made it through the toughest year, and now we are in the new year. And with that comes your idea for new resolution. What you want to do next? You need to step up your game. It can be very overwhelming when you have a list of things that you want to change suddenly. I'm here to tell you what are the 8 things that made me get my shit together and literally, like, I won't say changed my life, but it's in the process and I am liking it. So without wasting any time, let's go straight into the topic. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, share, and do not forget to press the bell icon next to your subscribe button, guys. All notifications just for you every Thursday from yours truly. Alright, let's get to the topic. But first, no day without coffee. Nada. Alright. Me, morning person, waking up early in the morning to do everything. Okay, by waking up early, I don't mean like 5 a.m. Off late, I just wake up by 6:30. I know, me. It worked, it happened, guys.
I'm going to give you a simple tip for this. Just go to sleep with your curtains open. Even if you have windows, just leave the curtains open. That's more than enough. Hi, Cookie. That's my cookie. So morning without alarm, I'm just up because of the light that's hitting on my face, literally. Let me tell you the difference. Waking up and staying awake are two different things. The first thing, once I'm up, I just go and light up the scented candle in the washroom, and that's enough to hit my senses, and I'm just up. Try it out, guys. It's fantastic.
Your first task is already done, guys. You woke up. I go, and obviously once I freshen up, brush, have a lot of water, and focus on having my first cup of coffee. Doing cardio in empty stomach feels amazing because you feel so light and the coffee is in for energy. And if you really guys are not into like working out or doing anything empty stomach, have a banana, that's enough.
The key for the motivation is to basically move. And the best way to move is get outdoors. If you guys have a place like where I'm working out, please go ahead, get out of the house. That will definitely want you to move and get out. If you're not comfortable with that, just stay indoors, but just to move.
So workout is done. Never skip breakfast. I usually don't skip breakfast unless I'm traveling a lot. I'm just on my coffee, like all of you guys know. Coffee's life. Guys, a lot of YouTube videos shows you how to plan your day, plan your week, etc., etc. Trust me, you don't have to be so organized on your diary or on your planner. I'm going to like basically show you how my planner is.
I practically write down everything that I want to do, guys, like everything.
I know you want to do 100 things in a day or in a week, but again, it needs to be very practical outcome. You need to make sure you highlight things that is priority and then go ahead and do the remaining tasks. So either you can do this or do something like I have it on my wall.
This wall acts as a reminder on my face.
Just get things done. So because getting things done is actually like nice. Feels good. Okay. So if you guys are someone who believe in having a good vibe throughout, make sure you avoid all the pages, everything any person that gives you a bad vibe, who's not important, just cut them off and follow pages that motivate you, inspire you.
And also, please learn when and how much to use off the social media, because I have a habit of late of just logging off my account. That definitely helps me not to log back consciously.
It is gonna like boom. You have no distractions that is so negative, and it will definitely help you move ahead with everything that you're planning to do in future, or near future, or tomorrow. Anything a minute from now that I speak is future, guys. So yeah, get it, okay? Screen time is very, very important. Reduce it as much as possible. So I've been working a lot on my phone at one go for a while, editing and videos. This to a point that I started getting migraine. I use the anti-glare spectacles. So thank you, my friend. Like one of my friends gifted me that. So like it definitely helped. But please don't push yourself to an extent that you have to go through all this, okay? Okay, if you have to reduce screen time, you need to fill that gap with something. So now that I have to distract myself, the next thing I started doing is, this is how it started, guys. Very close friend who lives in the same building. I saw him skating at the corridor and I was mind blown. I'm like, I want to do that right away. I was so keen on going and learning that I just borrowed the board from him. I would actually skate on my corridor, okay? If you haven't seen me fall like one buffalo,
Oh my god, guys, I'm not even embarrassed because finally I got off my comfort zone. I learned something so different, and I think right now I am like pretty much good at it. I'm getting a hang of the whole thing. I'm understanding how it's supposed to be done, but still long way to go. But I am having a blast.
so the next thing I started doing basically, guys, it's the simplest factor that's going to matter the most. Drinking a gallon of water every day, at least for a month to start.
I drink when I'm working, when I'm wasting my time binge watching TV. While I'm planning my future endeavors, I keep that and my coffee. And just basically carry it everywhere, but drink, drink, drink. Hi, Fifi!
One of the vlogs I'm coming up with will also feature what are all the benefits by drinking so much water, and I'm going to like keep this challenge for a month and see the difference. So watch out for that because I've started doing that. It is tough, okay, but it's a challenge. Let's try and do it. If you don't make a change, if you don't make an effort, obviously there won't be any result, okay? Yes, having a group of friends who you can party with and go dance around is completely different, but I'm not a person like that. I like my circle more who bring in like real shit, okay? Talk ideas, talk good motives, talk big plans. And then we actually get down into doing that. By doing so, we are helping each other to grow, practically grow. What is the point if you don't grow in your goals? Even if it's little, okay? Me and Abhignya, like I keep mentioning, I think she's practically featured in all my vlogs. So busy once a week, we definitely catch up for coffee. Talk good things, joke about anything, and if there's anything bothering you, like then just shoot it out and like let go it from your head. Try to have someone around you like who can basically like keep you on your toes all the time. Because if you do so, all the 7 points that I just spoke about won't make any sense. If you're meant to do a few things, you will end up doing that, okay? So if there is something I know for a fact like it's not meant for me, you get that instinct, I just let it go. Like all I wanted as a goal to get out of quarantine was to do a headstand. A simple task which was very tough for me, but then I was like giving up every now and then. Every month I'll be trying, but I was giving up. But ultimately, it happened.
The key factor is believing in yourself, guys. Just forget and stop comparing yourself with others, which was my problem. So just let everything go and focus on improving yourself.
Oh shuck, like I've done that means I can do something more. And that's when you challenge yourself a little more and keep doing things. Like right now, I'm having such a bad hair day. I just threw this cool hat and just hit it all. Okay, it didn't matter like you need to have the best of everything. Just walk around it, and I'm sure like even my eyeliner wings are not even equal. I don't care. It doesn't matter, okay? So this is how you try and keep things simple and have fun with all the imperfections of your life. These things actually like add value to who you are. Okay? Guys, these are things that you don't have to be having as a New Year resolution or something, but try to keep it very practical and take it slow. Every step that you try itself is a progress. So go ahead, try it out, have a crazy, crazy year ahead, filled with good things and good things only, because it's in your hands to take care of yourself, because you only got you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a lot more content coming up for the new year. And thank you once again, and have a happy 2021. Wishing only the best for you, and go be rad, kill the year. I love you guys. Jax here, signing off from JLogs. Mwah. Bye.